Hi Hunties, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you around my office and a little bit of the process of creating this office. So let's get started. This is my welcoming area. This is the first place that you see when you come in. So this is where I like to sit down and get ready for the day. I have my mirror, I have all my products right here, and I love this rose spray. This is called Feel Better Now by Royal Scents. It's so refreshing. I love it so much. So I have this cute little white fur rug. I have this marble stand. And this is just a simple chair with a white seat and chrome detailing. So this is my favorite pillow in the room just because it's so cute. When you look up close, there's actually little angels on it. And if you know me, I love angels. Angels are like my aesthetic. So I really love this pillow, especially because it was a gift from my grandmother. Over here I have some beautiful flowers, and this is in a vase that was made in Italy. I love having flowers around it. They're just so gorgeous to look at, and I feel like it ties the whole room together beautifully. Okay, and then over on this wall, we have a gorgeous chrome mirror from HomeGoods. I got such a good deal on this. A cute little ring light from Amazon. This light over here is also from Amazon. It's so bright. These are the lights that I use to record my makeup tutorials. Okay, so moving on to where all the action happens. This is my whiteboard. I got this whiteboard for like $10. I'm so glad I picked it up. So basically this is where I will take notes for the day. And then down here, I have my cute little snake plant that I love so much. I got this planner from TJ Maxx, and basically I love to come in here in the morning and just spray this with water, you know, give it some love, give it some sunshine. So I just really appreciate this plant, and this is kind of something that really ties the room together, and I love so much. I have my desk area. I have my cute little Tati Beauty PR box. I love keeping this out. This is an item that I cherish. And then up here I have a cute little crystal that my auntie gave me. And then right here I have a vase that is like a statue. I love this so much. I got it from Amazon. I feel like this really ties the room together. I love keeping fresh flowers in here. I have some eucalyptus because eucalyptus also purifies the air. Love it so much. It smells so good. And then up here I have a little vision board slash photo board. I have a picture of me when I was just a little girl and I was posing so hard for the camera. And I feel like it just represents me so well because ever since I was a kid, I've loved taking pictures. And then up here, I have my cute little M Cosmetics printout photo. So I love keeping this photo up here. And then I have a little printout of my logo, Hunty Hunter, with a little cloud. So I love having that. It just reminds me of my brand and you know what I want to do. And of course I have a cute little angel because I love angels. I forgot where I got this. I don't remember right now, but it's so cute. So this pillow on my chair has a quote from Scott Fitzgerald. This pillow was a gift and I really love it. The chair is from HomeGoods. I got a great deal on it. So that completes my office tour, but head over to my other video where I show you how I organize my makeup. Follow me on all my social medias at Hunty Hunter. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.